Hey guys, Marty Boots here. Today is the 3rd of September 2019. I've got a little bit of a different video for you today, and I'm going to talk about ENJ. Now, ENJ, it's been absolutely crushed, like everything in this market, like all altcoins almost. But I just want to show that it's showing some signs of life and some potential. Now, first off, you can see here, we're obviously back down into all these all-time low, not all-time lows, but they're back down into this support level. It was major support. Now, can this level hold? I mean, that's obviously the most important thing at the moment. Now, if what I want to actually show you is, I want to show you like this. I just want to show you how bad it's got. It's really bad. It's like everything. It's just been crushed here. But what I want to show you, and I want to keep this video fairly short. I know I say that quite often. It never is short. But I just want to show you the potential of what I'm looking at here. Now, it might take a little bit of time. I'm going to put Wabi on the chart also here. Got Wabi here, and you can see ENJ here as price came up over the 200 moving average. You can see this separation, if that's what you want to call it. You can see just the way the moving averages are starting to line up. Now it's early days yet. You can see here also on Wabi, these moving averages are starting to line up. So what happened with Wabi? You can see here it consolidated and consolidated. It just took its time. But what that allowed price to do, I'm going very slowly here, but what that allowed price to do, the consolidation period allowed these moving averages to base under the price. And when it bases under the price, it becomes support. So if ENJ can base a little bit here and allow these moving averages to become support and to build that structure that is needed for what happened to Wabi. Wabi has just started to take off, and that might not look like much, but from buying down in this area, Wabi is a 43% bounce. Now that is pretty good. That is not bad, and you can also see that it's forming this sort of bowl shaped pattern, and it's moving higher. That is, it is bullish, of course. And what also is bullish, and this is what I am anticipating for ENJ to form. I'm anticipating the moving averages to eventually form like this. I'm trying to foresee the future and predict what way these moving averages will turn out. And with this consolidation period, these moving averages may turn into support, and that's what I'm looking for. And that's what we got to keep an eye on. And you want to get in before these moving averages start to develop. You need to understand the structure before it actually happens. That is part of the secret of trading, really. You can wait for confirmation, and you can wait for this breakout, maybe wait for the buyback here and buy here. Like that would have been perfect. That you can do that also. You can wait and buy that pullback once these moving averages start forming this structure. That is, if you want to play it very safe, then you can do that. That is the safe way to play it. Now, I am probably going to try and accumulate a little bit down here below the 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart, and I am willing to take the risk on this, and I will be buying some if we drop down into this region here. I do not want to see the white 100 moving average get taken out, but I would like to buy down close to it. So that is my thought process on that, and it may take some time to consolidate, allow these moving averages to start building that structure before the move up. Let me just delete that. So you can see here, this looks good here. Now, very quickly, if I could just show you what happened on BTC 1 hour chart. I posted this on the group yesterday, and I posted the fact that on the 1 hour chart, Bitcoin was just here. It just had broke out there, and I posted that all these moving averages, the structure had formed and started to turn very bullish. And I even put the rocket ship on, and I don't bring out the rocket ship very often. But you know, when you bring out the rocket ship, it's a good sign that price can explode, and that is exactly what happened last night. Price exploded more than most people. I didn't expect it to be so quick. I was long on LTC, but I probably should have been long on Bitcoin. But anyway, the explosive move happened very quickly. And why did it happen? Because we formed good bullish structure on the moving averages and good bullish structure on the price action. Not to mention that we came off support. You know, this is support, and as one of the guys in Parme, did I say the name right? He pointed out that this block was support and price, and he's 100% right. It's a good call because this order block is support and price. It is just a resistance zone, but it's a good spot. It's a good point out, and price came down into that. So there's a lot of factors here that caused that price to rise. On top of that, a lot of people were bearish, even though we were bullish in our group. The explosiveness of the move still catches you off guard sometimes, no matter how many years experience you have in the market. I've been doing this 13 years now, but sometimes it just still catches you off guard how fast it moves, even though you are bullish and you think it's going to go higher. It is explosive. So sorry guys, I seem to have lost the chart. Oh, there's Wabi there. Here is back to the chart. Okay, so that's basically it, guys. I'm watching ENJ to form some structure here and form and build some support. You can see down here that there is support right along down on here. If we drop into that, it's potentially a good buying area. In my eyes, I think it's got potential here. So I'm just telling you what I'm doing. Of course, it's not financial advice. I'm looking here at Wabi very quickly. I just want to see the higher time frames to see what's happening with it. You know, you can see there is the start of resistance here. Now, price can easily get above that, in my opinion, and probably come up and test these levels here. At least test this green weekly 220 moving average. I'm on the wrong. Okay, I just want to see this monthly chart here, the 2 monthly charts very quickly. And you can see here, yeah, beautiful. So you can see here the monthly. I mean, we put in a bit of a doji sort of bottoming candle. It just needs to base, I think, before that gets that move up. You can see Wabi had something similar last month, and it had a green doji. Engine coin is a red doji. It's obviously not as good a candle, but you can see before in the past it did not matter. If I show you this monthly candle here, this was the low. This was the low here, guys, and you can see here on a monthly chart, it is over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is over 8 months, and over the 8-month period, if you did buy down here on the lows, that was 1,000% move on Wabi. That was a 10x, guys. It was a 10x. Now, I am not saying Wabi is going to 10x here now. I am just saying that there is potential signs of a bottom trying to form at this present time. Now, will that form or not, time will tell, but there is potential in Engine Coin here at the moment. A 10x would be beautiful. So that's it, guys, for the video, 10 minutes. If you like the content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to join us in our Discord group, we're in there every single day trading the markets, learning, improving, and trying to make a killing every single day. And if you'd like to join us there, please hit us up in the link below and we'll get you sorted with a 3-day free trial. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.